Do you know what to do with your business's data? Digital transformation has been such a positive force for many Australian businesses, but there's still confusion about how to use your data to optimise your service delivery. According to a recent KPMG report, artificial intelligence adoption alone has grown 15% over the past year, and 62% of decision makers are planning to adopt it in the future. It is fascinating stuff for all our businesses. So let's find out more from Kristina Kipper, KPMG Partner in charge of mid-market. Kristina, good to see you again. Digital data is just transforming businesses, isn't it? It is so important. How important?
Well, businesses these days collect and generate large amounts of data due to increased digitization. And this data can provide valuable insights for leaders to make better business decisions. Insights-driven decision-making can lead to better outcomes for customers and also to better efficiencies in the business. Now, they can inform even pricing, product development, and even future business models.
These COVID times have changed us all, disrupted us all, meant we've had to think laterally. How has data driven some of those decisions? What have you seen amongst your clients?
Yeah, well, look, I talked about operational efficiency, and take a manufacturing business that needs to maintain its plant and equipment. And traditionally, that's always done on a schedule based on history and averages. Now, this very manufacturer can use sensors and artificial intelligence to monitor the actual wear and tear of the machinery and intervene with repairs only if necessary. Now, that of course leads to savings in labor, in materials, and can prevent costly outages. But data can also help you understand your customers. So, for example, online retailers now analyze the buyer behavior and then use this information to predict what buyers might want or need at any given time and personalize the services and products that they offer and through the right channels. And this customer intelligence is really important to keep up with rising demands.
If you're a business owner that's thinking, well, you're reinforcing to me why I've got to get on board, but how do I start? Who do I talk to? Where do I go for resources to learn myself or to get some guidance?
First of all, collect the right data and analyze it with purpose. When we think about where to start, it's like, what decisions do you really need to make and what unique data can help you? Secondly, make sure it's readily accessible. Now, to your point, Kochie, even when businesses already have a lot of data, often we find it's stored in silos across the business. So the first step is to connect it through technology integration. And the aim is to achieve a single view of all the data to get those real-time insights and be able to respond really quickly. And finally, it needs to be secure. So be mindful of how you collect and use data so that you can comply with any relevant privacy laws. And most importantly, make sure you manage cybersecurity risks.
Fabulous tips. If you'd like to know more about how you can grow your business through digitisation, visit KPMG's website.